Hello guys, once again Chef is around, and today Chef is here to help you gain your six-pack back if only you are willing to go for that. And I'm here to use 3 ingredients for that, so stay tuned and let's see how it goes. The ingredients I'm going to use are ginger, lemons, 2 of them, and honey, pure honey. Very important. Yeah, these are the ingredients I'm going to use for this mixture. And at the end of, if you're able to do it well, within 7 days you get your 6-pack back. And also, as you're getting your 6-pack back, you also boost your immune system. Okay, it's time to cut our lemons. So I'm going to cut this lemon into 3 pieces. And then place it here into the bowl. The second lemon, same 3 pieces. Very simple to get your 6-pack. Now I'm done with the lemons. The next is my ginger. You can cut it like this or any size you want. No order too much anyway. I think for my ginger I have to cut it again like this. I think the ginger is okay for now. Okay. Now, I've already washed them, cleaned everything. So now I have my ginger and my lemon in the bowl. Next is my water. So, maybe 1,800 milligrams of water is okay. Then the next, I have to put my lemon and ginger on fire for about 5 minutes. You have to cover it as well. As our mixture is okay now, so the next is you have to put off our heat and then let it cool. Then later we strain it.